Hey everybody, it's Michelle here from Financial Hair and Faith. And today is going to be a quick video. But before I get into it, let me just say that I am having an unkempt kind of day. No makeup, hair is like just not done. But I will say this, no matter what mood that I am in, my hair is always up. I will not just lay all over my hair just because I'm not in a good mood. Been there and done that when I was relaxed. And when I tell you guys, my hair would break off something terrible because it was so tangled. Anyway, that's not the point of this video. So now, before we get into this video, let me put on my inviting face. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel if you're new here, and welcome back if you're not. I am Michelle from Fine Natural Hair and Faith. Y'all like that? Was that better? Was that better? Okay, so if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Don't be put off by my ridiculous behavior because sometimes I'm actually very serious. Just probably not today. So, right to the point, because I don't want to make this video too long. This is an intro video to share with you all what we will be talking about for the month of February. So I did a little survey and I asked you guys what videos you wanted to see. And it was really close, but fine hair routines is something that just kind of took the edge. You know, more people seemed more interested in receiving videos about that first. So that's what we will be talking about. For the month of February, I'm going to do, I only record once a week, so 4 hair routines that we could be doing better. And by better, I mean better. Those 4 hair routines are going to be cleansing, protective styling, strengthening, and detangling. Not necessarily in that order, but I'm going to go into an exhaustive list of tips for each of those topics in a dedicated video. So that's why I say, if you're new here, make sure you hit that notification bell and the subscribe button because YouTube like to play games. And you might forget to come back to the channel if you're not actually subscribed, right? Right. That is it. See, I told you guys it was not going to be long at all because your girl has work to do. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for, checking out what this is all about. I look forward to sharing so much more details with you guys. I'm even going to do some research just in case there's something I don't know, and I do want to share it with you. Let's face it, there's really nothing new under the sun. The tips I share are really dedicated to those of us, with fine hair, but they're not necessarily, brand new things out of a box. They're just broken down in a way that may be more appealing to a different audience, okay? Anyway, thanks so much for watching. And remember, in the meantime, in between time, make God your only source. God bless you.